latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Counselling for lateral entry, meaning direct admission in BE, BTech, will take place online this year. Tamil Nadu State Higher Education Minister KP Anbalagan made the announcement on Sunday. The step has been taken in view of the COVID-19 outbreak across the state. Earlier, students had to travel to Alagappa Government College of Engineering and Technology in Karaikudi for counselling. But now the counselling will take place online so that students do not have to travel to Karaikudi from different parts of the state. This comes as a respite for students in the times of COVID-19 outbreak. Students had to travel to Karaikudi to take part in admissions. So, we decided to conduct online counselling this year. The minister also said that the details of notification and websites will be announced later. Around 15,000 students join engineering colleges through this process every year in Tamil Nadu. MCA and MBA counselling will also be conducted online this year. Counselling for MBA and MCA admissions and part-time BE and BTech admissions used to be held offline, but these admissions will also be held online from this academic year. Counselling for MBA and MCA were scheduled to be held at Government College of Technology in Coimbatore. MBA degree program receives over 10,000 applications every year, whereas MCA receives around 3,000 applications. For part-time BE BTech courses, the government engineering colleges receive around 5,000 applications every year. The Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions launched its online registration of applications for BE or BTech courses on July 15th. Since then, over 60,000 students have registered and 40,000 students have reportedly paid their fees. The number of registrations in 4 days has been more compared to last year, increasing expectations of the colleges. The number of applications for engineering admissions is going to be more compared to the previous year. The interest among students to pursue engineering has increased. There is an expectation that technology growth would be phenomenal due to automation. Similarly, the state government also made the application processes to arts and science courses in government colleges completely online. The application window for these courses began on Monday.